Most Americans are one paycheck away from financial disaster, and nobody warns you about it. Be honest, if you lost your job tomorrow, could you survive for 3 months? Or would your savings run out in weeks? If that question made you uncomfortable, keep watching. In the US, people earn good money, yet still feel broke. It's not because they're lazy, it's because no one teaches real personal finance. If this already sounds familiar, hit like. It helps this reach people who need it most. Here's the real problem. People spend first and save whatever's left, and most months there's nothing left. Smart money works the opposite way. You pay yourself first, before rent, before shopping, before lifestyle upgrades. A simple rule most wealthy Americans follow is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings and investing. If 20% feels impossible right now, start with 5%. Progress beats perfection every single time. If you want simple, real US money advice without hype, make sure you subscribe. Next, emergency savings. 3 to 6 months of expenses, not for vacations, not for shopping, but for life. Credit cards aren't free money. If you don't control them, they will control you. The good news? You don't need a high income to win with money. You need a system and consistency. Comment money if you want a step-by-step beginner plan. Personal finance isn't about being rich. It's about freedom, peace, and choices. Start today, even if it's small. Like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs it, because your money should work for you, not against you.